Digest food faster. Digestion breaks down food into smaller parts, allowing your body to take full advantage of the energy and nutrients it contains. Different foods break down in different ways, some faster than others. Although the rate of digestion is dependent mostly on your body's natural mechanisms, there are some things you can do to increase the speed and quality of your digestion. Keep watching to learn how to digest food faster. Changing your lifestyle. 1. Exercise regularly. Increased physical activity helps keep food moving through the digestive system. This can increase the speed with which food is digested and assist in the overall digestive process. 2. Get rest. Sleep gives the digestive organs the time needed to rest and repair, increasing their ability to digest food quickly and efficiently. Making some changes to your sleep will have digestion benefits that are far-reaching. 3. Drink fluids. Drinking fluids, especially water or tea, especially after a meal, aids in digestion. Fluids help your body break down food, and water can help by hydrating you. Eating foods that promote digestion. 1. Eat high-fiber foods. Fiber-rich foods aid digestion in a variety of ways. Eating these foods can speed digestion by reducing constipation and maintaining general bowel health. 2. Eat yogurt. Yogurt is a great natural source of probiotics and other live cultures that are essential to digestion. 3. Eat ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years as a digestive aid, and its popularity has continued to the present day. Ginger is thought to stimulate the release of enzymes in the digestive tract that increase the efficiency and ease of digestion. 4. Choose low-fat foods and avoid fatty, fried foods. Foods high in fat and fried foods can cause acid reflux and heartburn because they overwhelm the stomach's ability to properly break down its contents. Changing your eating habits. 1. Eat small, frequent meals throughout the day. Rather than overburdening your digestive system with a large meal, eat smaller meals throughout the day to help spread your digestion. Aim for 4 to 5 evenly spaced small meals throughout the day. Try to eat every 3 hours to prevent excessive hunger. 2. Choose whole foods over processed foods. Foods that are highly processed are more difficult for your body to digest. Instead, choose whole foods that are not full of preservatives, additives, and other chemicals. Eat fruits, vegetables, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, beans, nuts, seeds, and other whole foods throughout the day to ease the digestive process and help make it more efficient. 3. Chew your food well. Chewing starts the engine of the digestive train, but is often underemphasized. Proper chewing multiplies the surface area of the food particles many times and allows your enzymes to access more of the food that you've put into your body. Exposing huge surface areas of food to your saliva is a great start in achieving smooth, efficient digestion.